Victor, what's up, buddy? It's your buddy Frank McGee over here in Birmingham. Hey, man, maybe we can work together on something. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But I want to just do my part today to give some away. All right, so here's what we need to do. To find those seller carryback leads, my phone would ring. Let's see. Listsource.com. Create an account if you don't have one. It's easy. It's free. Okay, right here. Seller carryback prospects. County. State. I believe you said you live in. I'm in Alabama. You're in Georgia. Add. Oh, Bartow. Barrow or Bartow. I think he said Bartow. Bartow. Those are the leads that come in. Okay, that's too many. We're gonna go next. We still have 30. Those are the number of leads. You had to pay for those, so we don't want to do that. We want to do only the records with name and lender. That's a better number. Okay, 407. 407 seller carryback leads. Okay, it takes a little while for it to report to the county where you live. So some of those are old, which when we're talking notes, we want them to be kind of old. If my memory serves me correctly, it's been a while since I looked at notes, but that's 407 leads. And you're gonna go to skip all this. I'll let you read that on your own time. You can get detailed and put certain property type, but with that small number of leads, you don't really want that number to go down any, because you have to spend at least $50 whenever you do decide to do this. Next, again, we can narrow down, but we at least need 400 to be here. If I start clicking, that number's gonna go down. All right, purchase list. Victor, for $65, you would have 407 people. Okay, continue to check out. 65 bucks. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm at less than 3 minutes on this. If I were to pay for this right now, I'd be out of 65 bucks, and I have 407 people. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something I don't want to give away, but I will try to give something away today. The devil is busy. Okay, so rather than send a letter or a postcard, it's 50 cents per letter per postcard. So you're looking at, out of 407, you're looking at 200 bucks you'd be spending. Rather than do that, come to Fiverr.com, create you a account. It's free. And as you see, I live in here all the time. Those are all the people I deal with. Deal with all these people all the time. And so let's go over here and do, that's me, Frank Houseman. Go over here and do skip trace. Hit search. This person will do, let's just see. We have 407. Okay. She said she'll do 100 of these for 20 big old dollars. 20 bucks. So rather than do all 400, you can start with 100, pay the 20 bucks. I go ahead and tell you, I don't know this person, but once you get in there, it ain't gonna be 20, it's gonna be more like 30, 35, 40. But for 40 bucks, you get 100 of these cell phone numbers to those 407 we just talked about. So within, it takes them about a day or two to get you the records. Within a day or two, you got 100 people to call. Not mail them a letter and hope they call you back. If you mail 100 letters, you're going to get 1%, you're going to get one person. If you mail 500 letters, you're going to get 1%, which is 5 people. You're only going to get 1%, maybe 2%. But out of, say, 100, you're only going to get 1 or 2 people to call you back. If you do it this way, skip trace, you're going to get 100 numbers. Every one of those numbers is not going to be accurate. But if you could talk to, say, 25 or 30 people out of that 100, that's the equivalent of you sending out At 1%, you had to send out, let's see, you had to send out, let's say you talk to 25 out of 100 people. You will literally have to send out 2,500 postcards to talk to 25 people. Or you could pay this 30, 40 bucks and talk to the same 25 people. So what are you out of? 65 bucks to do what I just showed you on ListSource. And then this 20 to 30, 40, 100 bucks, you're on the phone with 25 people. Now, here's why I need you. I don't really have time to look into this right now. What note company is buying, what paperwork they need. I know it's a note that they need, and the number of payments that have been made that they need. But it's like two more things that I can't remember from when I took the course a long time ago. You find that out, man, and we can work together. I give you this part on how to get the leads, how to get the cell phone number to the leads, and then what you do is let me know what company is buying and what kind of paperwork they need. Hope this was helpful, man. I'll holler back at you. 205-790-6440 or catch you on Facebook Messenger. Take it easy.